There are two types of salesmen in the world. One, who chase clients. Two, the clients change them. Which one do you are? Most people think selling is about talking faster and say fancy words or have a talent. But isn't that the real reason that people can sell is not because of lack of talent? It's because they don't understand people. They try to convince instead of connect. They focus on the product but people. That's why 97% of sales are failed. But the top 3%, they do things differently. People don't buy logically. They buy emotionally and justify it with logic. As Simon Says said, people don't buy what you are doing. People buy why do you do it. When a client says, I think about it, they're not rejecting you at all. They reject how they feel about you. Dale Carnegie, the author of How to Influence and Influence People, thought this a century ago. He says, you can make more friends in 2 months by being interesting in others than in 2 years by trying to convince people to be interested in you. Well, think about it. So, stop pitching, stop listening. Trust is everything. Once Warren Buffett said, it takes 20 years to build a reputation, but 2 days to ruin it. That's why top sellers never exaggerate. Even it cost them a deal. Think about Jordan Belfort, the Wolf of Wall Street. He sold people by manipulation, but what happened? He lost it at all. Insane, your character close before the product. Here's what you can do. The top seller use psychological triggers instead of tricks. One, reciprocity. You should give value before to try to sell anything. Tony Robbins give free value in every talk. So when he sells something, the people are already grateful. 2, authority. Speak facts with clarity and certainty. Think about Elon Musk. Elon Musk doesn't ask people to believe. He shows them the prototype, the proof, and the vision. 3, social proof. Here's what you can do. The 10,000 people bought this product before you're coming here. This line alone can change everything. Trust me. 4, scarcity. When something is rare, we value it more. Steve Jobs did a great job in this section. You can see always in their sales, they say limited pre-orders available. And 5, consistency. People always act on what they actually think they are. Ask a small commitment. Would you like to see it how it works? Instead of do you want it or do you buy it? And finally, bestseller don't think about them as a salesman. They think about them as a teacher, as a leader, as one who listens and understand people. A problem solver. When you speak from that mindset, people listen differently. Zig Ziglar said it in the best way. You can have everything you want in life if you just help enough people to get what they want. That's a formula. Stop chasing, start helping, and stop chasing and start attracting.